Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally, after so long, this is my first long format video of the new year 2026. And I'm so excited because in the last whole year, there is a lot that has happened, and I personally have explored a lot of things that were new to me, or at least I was scared to try out previously. But I think I've tried them all this time and I'm quite happy with the results. Before we begin, this is the newest thing in my collection, which was sent to me by my dear best friend Arushi, who I share a name with, and who I also know from like since I was in like first grade. So coming back, I did not really take a lot seriously, especially when it came to the entire hobby of mine in terms of content creations, designing, because that is something that I love to do. Whether I had enough motivation or not, I'd still find myself some way or the other getting myself involved into this. And while I previously had a page on Instagram where I was creating content, but hear me out, I did not have a single vibe for it, and I have turned it somehow into a shit posting page because I can now freely just post anything and everything I wish to without thinking about what other person on the internet might think about me, because I don't care. But in order to get myself being able to turn that account into a shitpost page was the fact that I created a whole new Instagram page for me to create content at. Now, I created this, I think, most probably in November, and I was not sure what kind of content I would wish to put there. And it was actually quite difficult to understand the kind of content that I'd be comfortable in posting. So I tried quite a few things, especially the content that I was inspired from YouTube. I tried to recreate it, post it on there. I think I did not take that page seriously for like the first 30-40 days. I somehow, for some reason, realized that I should start being serious about it and just go for it. Like, I should not wait for my content to be perfect because there is no definition of perfect. So, what did I do? I started posting with consistency. I created a schedule. I then did stick to it and did experiment with the content types, but I remained consistent. So I posted based on my schedule religiously, no matter where I am, whether or not I have the right content or not. I still tried my best to put some value in my content and just post it out there. Also, during the New Year's, we went to Goa for like a really long time, and we had some of the best time over there. We have visited Goa before as well, but this time we just wanted to enjoy the peace and quiet that Goa actually caters for the people, but social media has taken a different toll on the vibe and has made it more about, partying, clubbing, and stuff like that. But trust me, Goa is way more than what Instagram shows you majority of the time. Like, you can get a club anywhere, anytime, you can just pay money, get inside, and enjoy. But in Goa, especially in the southern region, I think there are so many unexplored places because we went there during the peak tourism time and we could still find beaches as good as empty. They were so clean. And the best thing was that none of the people there gave a single damn about anything that you were doing. They don't care. So just go there, be yourself, enjoy the peace and calm. There is so much to enjoy, so much to cherish, and it's just a different kind of peace. So I think I've realized that South Goa is more of the kind of vibe I'm into, and I loved it. Well, I did go to Goa, and that is what gave me a really, really bad tan. Now, when I say bad, what I mean is it was not even. I forgot my sunscreen, and because of lack of SPF, my skin from the back was literally burned, and I still have not recovered, but I think I feel better in the kind of tan that I have right now. This entire journey that we had was actually by road. I think I didn't tell you that, right? Yes, you heard me right. So we went to Goa from Jaipur, then taking a halt at Aurangabad, which is now known as Chhatrapati Shambhaji Nagar. And then we again started our journey. The rest at Shambhaji Nagar was barely for like 6-7 hours, that too just for the sake of sleeping. And rest was the time that we were all on road, basically driving. And it took us somewhere around 2 days to reach Goa from Jaipur. And I think whole good day from Goa to reach Bombay. We were staying at the Malabar Hills region, so that is where we went. And because I used to live in Powai, I also took my time to visit that place, but that wasn't the only reason. The main thing was that Arushi, my best friend from grade 1, also lives there, and I wanted to meet her. We wanted to catch up because we've been keeping with our friendship since a really long time, and we do take time almost each and every single day to contact each other and just do nothing. So that was one thing that was with me, that I do really need to meet her, which we did. It was also in that trip with her that I got my first ever Victoria's Secret body mist, and I was so excited for it. So this is the warm and cozy body mist by Victoria's Secret. It has passion fruit, some vanilla, and some toasted coconut in it, and it has to be one of the best things that I've ever got for myself. And I fell in love immediately. Like, look at how good this is. Like, it's so nice. It smells nice. It smells fresh. But you know what they say about addiction. It's really hard to keep yourself away from buying things again and again. And I fell so in love with Victoria's Secret's body mist that I had to get myself another one, which I got along with my friend. We live together in the society and we really enjoy our time together. So we decided while having a sleepover to get a matching pair of body mist from Victoria's Secret, and it was a disappointment. This is the thing that we got. This is the essence. So this is Bare Vanilla Daydream by Victoria's Secret, and it is just missing something. Like, it's there and not there. Like, I'm totally confused about this because it's not so strong, but it's not that gone either. Like, you can definitely get that there is something that you've applied, but not immediately, like after a really long time, and it doesn't really stay that long. So I somehow have taken a step back from getting another Victoria's Secret mist or a perfume as of now. You might find me getting yet another one next month because I'm just an impulsive buyer. This one, though, somehow always makes me happy, so I'm just happy to have it on my table along with me, and I love it. Along with that, I've just learned to kind of stay as confident as I can, and that's not only for the sake of being confident in the kind of content that I make, but it's also for my own peace, and it has kind of made me feel really happy about myself. One of the things that I think is yet again helping me improve my calm and peace this year especially is a planner by Odd Giraffe. So I ordered this planner somewhere around on 21st or 22nd December, and I had planned to receive it sometime soon, at least before the New Year's. But here's the thing that happened, which was not seen by any of us. Their machine broke and there were some technical issues. So I received it on 12th of January, which is, I think, not what I initially planned for. But anything and everything that I had in my mind regarding this delay was gone as soon as I received this planner from Odd Giraffe, and I was so in love. Like, each and everything in this is like way too organized. It has everything you need for a year. You can jot down your thoughts, you can control your habits, you can track your habits, you can have your entire month's schedule written, you can prioritize your top 3 goals and give yourselves a nice roadmap on how you actually plan to do it. Have yourselves a to-do list and then have a monthly check-in to understand what kind of progress you actually made. And the best part is that each and every month has an introduction that's way too aesthetically appealing, and I think I've already fallen in love yet again. But with the book, falling in love with a person has been one of the last things I'd want to do at the moment. It ruins me, it breaks me. It did. And well, I do have a lot more that I wish to talk to you about, but I think I've already taken a lot of time. And I will be coming back with a lot more to discuss on because I am totally feeling the 2026 energy and I would want to share it with you as well. Let me know your thoughts and let's connect again. Bye.